Hey, Facebook and YouTube, how is everyone doing? All right, you guys, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know I will be cooking live on Saturday. Yes, we're going to get in the kitchen. And this is going to be a two-part series. First session will be at 1 p.m. Then the second session will be at 5 p.m. Yes, the same day. At 5 p.m., we're just going to go ahead and knock it out. But you guys make sure you come back so we can get cooking in the kitchen. And I think you guys are going to really like this recipe. I know I am. I've been craving it, and I can't wait to see what I can do with this recipe. All right, with that being said, God bless you, and I'll see you on Saturday. And yes, I will not be riding Festus Mule. I will be on time. God bless you.